Hi there, 6th graders. Mr. Kerr here, and for our very last week, and I'm actually kind of stuck up in the mountains, so I'm kind of doing this last minute on a Sunday evening, but did want to give you your last update. So this is our last week of the semester, the very last week. You'll see that Thursday we have the absolute deadline for any work turned in at 3 o'clock today. Most everyone's been doing pretty well. I'd like you to have your final done by Monday or Tuesday at least. Double check for any other missing or incomplete assignments. Go through the grade book and all of that. But the sooner you get everything turned in, the sooner I can get stuff graded and everything, and just make sure where we are on grades. Hopefully you saw this message that I put out as well. That has the total number of points we've had and how many you have to earn to get a 60%, which means passing, how many you have to get for 90%. I'm sure you can figure out 80 and 70% in there as well. But just want to make sure you have all of those. This is it. End of the semester. Get her done and everything. Let me know if you have any questions on finishing the semester, the review discussion board, or the final quiz itself. So with that, be well. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Thanks.